Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share my creative process of making these manufacturing documentaries. To ensure the highest quality and accuracy, I use a combination of advanced AI tools and manual editings. First, I use Google Gemini to research and draft my script to ensuring the technical details are correct. Then I use Veo 3 to generate specific high-quality cinematic clips that match my story. Finally, I bring everything into CapCut where I manually edit timings, add transitions, sound effects and voiceovers. This channel is a blend of cutting-edge AI technology and my own editorial visions to bring you the best documentary experience. At this channel, our mission is to bring you the most accurate and authentic look into factory manufacturing. Every documentary starts with an intensive research phase. I strictly follow all YouTube SOPs to ensure content integrity. I use Google Trends to identify important topics and Google Gemini to verify facts and gather in-depth technical data. My goal is to provide high-quality fact checks and information while being fully transparent about all the tool choice in the process.